marks that you used for the tape measure method for goniometry? Or others who are at OLA today?
For which one?
So,
Sorry.
for torso rotation.
Is it the greater trochanter?
So it's a greater trochanter, and then on the opposite side,
The
The
acromion.
acromion.
it's the lateral acromion.
That one.
Oh, you didn't do
Not
that?
that one.
To the greater.
Okay, so it sounds like maybe we should do that one again.
Sure. Yes.
Okay, so if I could borrow someone's tape measure, and I'm gonna move you up to the table. Thank you, look at that. What a nice patient to have his own tools. I'm gonna have you, I'm gonna
Sorry,
split this
guys.
out a little bit.
I'll try
And
not
go ahead and
to
put your
block
feet,
you.
I'd like your knees to not, so scoot your butt back and your feet out. Yeah, there you go. Is that uncomfortable? Do you wanna bring your heels back a little bit?
Sure. That's
Is that better?
Yeah.
All right. So we are going from the greater trochanter. So if you remember, that's going to be the most lateral point of the femur. How you can find it is, what I'd like you to do, you look a little stiff.
Well, I'm on camera, so.
Oh, okay. So what I want you to do is to yeah, windshield wipe with your leg. Yeah, there you go. Okay, good. So I found his greater trochanter, and then I'm going to do lateral acromion. Now, if you remember, is I'm going to hold the 0 point at his lateral acromion, and then I'm going to let the tape slide on the other side, and this is a difference measurement. Thank you for having such a prominent greater trochanter. So he is at 72.7. I'm going to have you do is cross your arms in front of your chest. Okay, and then I would like you to rotate your torso to your right. Good. And relax. So I had 72.7 and now I have 81.8. So whoever can do the math, that would be the math. Okay?
It's like a 9.1.
Okay. Thank you so
Show
much.
off.
I appreciate it.
What's the square root of pi?
So what you don't want to do is have him turn so the tape gets shorter. Okay? Remember this one, the tape is always getting longer. Okay, so you're turning towards the hip.
And also, it was implied already, but just to emphasize, because this came up several times at tape measurements, you need to keep the tape on the person.
Right.
And you cannot take it off and have them do the movement and then reapply.
Right.
To check the difference.
True that.
Are there norms for tape measure, like rotation and all that? The norms?
I don't believe that there is a norm for rotation. There are norms for lateral flexion on the slides, but I don't believe there are norms for rotation.
What about extension and flexion for tape measure?
There are norms and they're on the slides. Yep. Okay, so that's the tape measure method for rotation. Okay. Now I'm gonna have you sit in the chair and we'll do goniometry. So I'm gonna bring you back in the chair. And I'm gonna have you sit with your back not touching the table. There you go. That was not how a younger person generally moves their butt forward in a chair.
Well, I
That's normally,
Soul.
that's normally what we do in the nursing home.
do you know how old I am?
Not that old. So, Dr. Bryant and I were talking. I have no idea why we use a different alignment for the stationary arm for the neck versus the torso. Both work equally well for both areas of the body. So I taught you straight ahead for the neck, and then for the torso, we go to 90 and work it off of 90 and use a line through the acromion, or the acromia. You can use either one for either test. Okay, so whatever works best for you for lining up your goniometer is absolutely fine with me. Okay, I think it's fine with you, presumably. So I don't know why Berryman Reese lists them different for those two tests. So the big important thing here is that I'm gonna have you cross your arms across your chest, and then I'm gonna have you do the same motion you did for me on the table. You're just going to rotate. What I would like you to try not to do is flex forward or do anything crazy. So I'm going here. All right. The other thing that I would like you to do, because I am using your nose, is I don't want you to rotate. I don't want you to look over your shoulder. I want you to think of your head being really fixed on your shoulders and always looking straight ahead.
Okay.
Okay? All right. How about if we have you go to your right? Okay, good. And come back. So he is at 69 degrees for his trunk rotation. Okay?
His left finger hurt.
You're loud. You were trying so hard not to laugh, and then I thought, well, I really missed out on something. Okay? So that is how you're gonna measure it. For me, the line through the acromion is very hard for me to maintain. So for me, I'm much better off having my stationary arm forward because I have a sense of like square to the chair. I just feel like I do better if I have it that way. But again, Berryman Reese has it for this test going through the acromion. Okay? All right, so those are the two